very excellent work done over the period. Since January of this year, Your Excellency, the team has worked for long hours to actualize the vision of the Open University. They have conducted extensive research and drafted well thought out documents to support the formation and operationalization of the university. I commend them for their sacrifice and dedication. Your Excellency, the establishment of this university opens a new chapter in access to higher education opportunities. By leveraging on technology, this university will promote access to higher education for many men and women who could otherwise have been locked out. They will now be able to access higher education conveniently and at an affordable cost. This way, the university will provide an opportunity for our people and others across the world to nurture and develop their full academic and research potential. Your Excellency, this is an important milestone in ensuring that we have opportunities to build our human capital. As you correctly pointed out the other day, our human capital is our most important resource. And Your Excellency, I undertake that me and the principal secretaries and the top leadership in the ministry, we will 100% continue supporting this university, and we thank you for also appointing the Chancellor, who is a man, Professor Dr. Mwangi James, who is so passionate in this matter, and we will be able to give all the support. At this juncture, Your Excellency, it is now my distinct honor to invite the Prime Cabinet Secretary to make his remarks and invite you, Your Excellency. Please.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto,